We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva, and today's video is going to be over the new MAC holiday collection. It is called Starring You, and you guys, a video or so back I was saying that I could not wait for the MAC holiday collection because I knew that they were not going to disappoint me, and they did not, you guys. I feel like MAC went back to the drawing board and was like, delete all that shit, Peggy, delete. And they just went and just got us majority of it all new stuff. It is just an amazing collection, and I could not get everything. I did not get everything, but I actually took one item back, but I will let you guys know what that was and why I took it back. But for the most part, I love this collection. I wanted to get so much more, but my budget can't, she not there yet. So I got what I felt stood out the most to me. So if you are interested in seeing what I got and also seeing my thoughts on the items that I got, then please keep watching. My items came from a counter inside of Dillards. That's all that we have where I live. So they have I think this is a Dillards exclusive, so I'll be talking about this one right here. And this bag is called Starlit Lip Kit, and this one is in Plum. And the next thing that I got were these beauties right here. These are all eyeshadows, and let me tell you something, you guys. This right here was $39.50, and that's not bad because you're getting 3 items. These right here are $25 a piece. Okay, $25. Let that sink in. Let it settle. $25. I paid $100 for 4 shadows. But when you see them, you will so understand why. This is what the bag looks like, you guys. Isn't that just gorgeous? And here is the little star thing on the side. If you look at this right here, it has like two stars on it. One fits inside of the other one. Okay, so the lipstick is in Clouded Stars, and the lip gloss is in Major Star. Let's go ahead and get swatches. Okay, again, this is what the lip gloss looks like, and here's the swatch of it. You guys, I love this bullet because it has MAC written on the front in like a purple. It is so cool. Actually, it's MAC on both sides. Okay, that's what the bullet looks like. And there is the lipstick in Clouded Stars. Lip gloss in Major Star. Okay, here is the lipstick pencil, and again, it is in Soar. This pencil is so creamy. Wow, why have I been sleeping on MAC lip liners? But this is so creamy. And again, this is the lip liner in Soar. This is the lipstick in Clouded Stars. And this is the lip gloss in Major Star. Those go perfectly together. And again, this kit was $39.50. Now we're going to go over to these eyeshadows, and you guys, these eyeshadows are gorgeous. To me, these are the standouts of the full collection that has come out so far, because this is round 1. I think there may be a 2 and a 3. I know there's a 2, but I think it might be a 3. I'm not certain, but this is round 1. And these eyeshadows are the bomb. The top is so glittery. It's so over the top. And I don't think that this comes off. It's not coming off on my hands or anything like that. But it's so pretty and so luxe feeling. This is the one that I used today for my eyeshadow look. And you guys, I want to try and come closer. I'll try to do it in a minute. When I change my lenses, I will give you guys a close-up of what my eyes are looking like today, because I'm kind of I'm kind of liking my look today. I'm kind of liking my look, okay? But with these shadows, I want to show you what they look like, and I'll tell you how I feel it's best to apply them. Okay, so these shadows are called Spellbinder shadows, and the first one that I'm going to show you, it is called Swing on a Star, and it looks like this, you guys. Looks are deceiving, but this is glitter for your soul. Your soul needs this right now. And so I'm going to show you how I did apply them today, because my look is off the chain. I used my Too Faced glitter glue, because you guys, these are glitters that are magnetized, and they sit on top of a magnet, and so they're stuck in there, but not really. Like, you can lift these up with ease, so don't go popping the thing or anything like that. Don't do any of that. The guy said store them straight up like this, because it will move around. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this part right here has moved, and so I was gonna try to move it back over. But anyways, let's try to apply these. I am using my MAC, I think this is a 239, but it's the Mariah Carey collection. Okay, there's that one. And again, that one is called Swing on a Star. They all are coming with this little protector on top, and I'm gonna leave this on top of mine just to keep it sealed. This one is called Stairs to the Stars, and this is more of like a burgundy pinkish, just goodness. See, look at that, amazing. This one right here is called Wishful Thinking. This is the last one, and it is called Stars Align, and it is more of a silver color. Here are all those colors, you guys. Oh my goodness. I will try to put on the screen which color is which, because I cannot remember at this moment. But look at this. That is gorgeous. Alright, you guys, that is my MAC holiday collection. You guys, I loved it. Before I go, I did want to let you guys know how I used the eyeshadows. Like I said, I used the glitter glue, and I used that blue greenish color, dark blue greenish color right here on my eyes today. And before I put all that on, I used these two Viseart palettes. I used the Dark Mattes palette, and the colors that I used out of this palette were these two right here, this orange color right here, and then this deep like brick orange color right next to it. I mixed the two of those together, put them into my crease, and then on top of that, I used this Neutral Matte Millier palette. I used this color right here, which is a deeper, darker crease color brown, and I used that to kind of blow out the orangey look so that it wasn't so orangey, but it brightened up my dark eye color. And yeah, so those are the items that I used on my eyes today, you guys. I'm so in love with these shadows right here. I figured these were the best items to get out of the collection, even though they are $25 a piece, and to get all 4 you had to spend $100 and above for, you know, taxes and stuff like that. But these are very different. I don't know of any other company that has these. If they are, please somebody let me know. But as far as I know, this is groundbreaking and amazing, at least for MAC. I've not seen it from MAC. I think they might have, but I hadn't. But I was kind of like, why didn't MAC come out with these for their Halloween collection, which I don't think they have a Halloween collection. But Spellbinder, that sounds more like Halloween than Christmas, but hey, whatever. Hey, I don't work for them. I mean, I kind of wish I did, but I don't work for them. But yes, you guys, but look at this. Look at this. And this Tin Man color over here, I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I'm going to try to do something. This is out of my box, y'all. Look at these colors. They're out of my box, but they're different, and I had to have it. Anyways, enough of me trying to justify why I spent all the money that I spent. That's it. That's the end of my haul. I hope you liked this video. I hope it wasn't too much. I hope it's not too much editing for me. But if it is what it is, child. But if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Actually click the like button, and click the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video, because it's fun around these parts. All right, until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.